Josh, Jen, good evening to both of you. I talked with one industry expert, and he says to stop this premium increase, Florida needs to help prop up insurance companies even more yet again.
The sticker shock, which we've all been experiencing for the past 2 or 3 years, is not only not over, June 1st could result in the worst sticker shock yet.
John Rollins is a former chief risk officer at Citizens, the state insurer of last resort. He says your premium could soon jump up to 25%. The main driver, the cost of reinsurance. That's insurance for insurance companies. Citing industry data, Rollins says in the past 4 years, reinsurance rates have increased 100%. Experts expect another jump, 50%, by June 1st. Rollins says when insurance companies have to pay more for their insurance, so do you. It's all connected.
So when the reinsurers raise their rates 50% in a single cycle at June 1st, that could lead to 25% rate increases for the average Floridian. Right now, it's at a generational high and probably representing 50% or more of the average consumer's premium dollar.
This bad news coming despite 2 special legislative sessions. Last year's reforms made the market less volatile, but lawmakers didn't cap rates. This week, the new president of the Florida Senate made a promise about premiums.
We believe that hopefully within a year or so, your property insurance rates will go down. And if they don't, there will be hell to pay.
Unfortunately, Rollins doesn't think rates will decrease that fast. But he says they could stabilize if Florida helps insurers get insurance. Lawmakers already expanded state support for reinsurance last year. Rollins says it needs to happen again. And the support should sunset after 3 years.
If the state helps insurance companies with reinsurance, can it be guaranteed that the savings are going to go down to the policyholder?
It is guaranteed that any savings from the cost structure associated with state support or a state-funded bridge would be passed through to consumers almost immediately in the next round of rate filings. That is true.
So the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation, or OIR, oversees insurance companies. Each year, companies make a rate filing request, and they must report their reinsurance cost. Rollins says if their costs go down, OIR can force them to drop your rates too. So this is a very important office, and as we have been reporting, Florida has a new insurance commissioner, and there should be a difference that we'll see soon.
You know, people are so tired of hearing this and knowing that these rates are going to continue to go up. So let's look ahead. The short-term pain, but long-term, when does it drop? Do you have any idea when we could start seeing those prices come down?
So Rollins was, again, carefully tracking all of this, says 2024 to 2025, you'll see a decrease. In short term, if you prop up insurance companies, you'll see less of an increase this summer in June.
Well, anything would help at this point.
Yeah.